All right, I want to give a little video on the Microsoft Word mail merge. This is used for when you have to send out like a lot of letters where the content is the same, or you send out a lot of letters and you want to make mailing labels for envelopes and things like that. In this example, they want to send this particular letter out to a bunch of people. So the first thing we want to do is select the recipient. Oh, first of all, I went to the web, and let me shrink this down here. And I went to Word hands-on 3-letter, and then the trustees. I downloaded these. So here is the letter that we want to merge. So the next thing you want to do is, well, we can look at it. I went to use existing list, and I went to my documents, and this thing is right here, the trustees. Sheet 1, because Excel can have many sheets. And then we can, if we wanted to, we could edit the recipient list. I think they have you do that, but I'm just going to leave it. Like, you could delete people. You could sort. They want us to sort by city, if I can click on it, and then by last name. You can see that kind of changes the order, but I'm just going to, you could filter all kinds of things here if you want to in your recipient list. But then the next thing we need to do is we need to put the blocks where the fields are going to be inserted, and I'll show you what I mean. We want an address block, and I'm going to use their default here, the Mr. Joshua Rand. That's just sample text. This is actually taken from the data to show you what it would look like. So, and you could scroll through here to see what they all look like. I'm just going to choose that, and then we want I'm hitting Shift Enter there, by the way. We want a greeting line. And I'm going to put the deer and then whatever. I'm going to leave all the defaults here. Okay, for the greeting. You could change that if you wanted to. Now here, I'm going to preview. We might need to mess with this a little bit. You can see this is how it's going to look. So see how there's this space here? I don't like that space. So there must be something like right here. There's 6 point after. I thought there was. Because I think if we look, and I'm going to push this down a hair. Let's see what that looks like. And we go to Mailings tab, Preview. See, I like that much better. There's no space there. So then we just finish and merge. And I'm going to hit Edit Individual so we can see what the result is. Merge all. And so this is the result here. They make you Microsoft Word makes one big document. Notice how the address is going to be different for all those people up there. And then there's the greeting line. See, we have the address and then the greeting line. And this is not, now this is a small example. You could have like hundreds of pages here. But that's all there is to it. And you print this out, and that's how you do mail merge. Again, it does a handful of other things too. Like you could do labels and things like that if you want to. But that's it.